totally a thing right now. Look, that's too big. Hold on. Hold on. There. Oh my God. Come here. Come here. Yeah, you think you're a dog. You know you want some bread. Come here. You know you want some bread. You want bread. Do you want bread? Come here. Come here. Here you go. Here. Come here, big boy. Yes, I know you want some more. Goodness. Come here, you big old bird. You're huge. You're like a dinosaur. Yes, bread. Yes. You're mad. I'll feed you. Don't be. Yeah, he's pissed as fuck. He's like, you're taking my bread. Hey. God, don't cry. Come here. I'll give you chocolate. Come here. You're like a grown-up PMSing time. Come here. Ah, don't fight me, you dick. That one. You guys see his horn? You see him? They have teeth. Those ones have teeth, in case you're wondering. Here. Yeah, you're pissy. There. I got a whole shit ton of bread. Come here. There. Yeah, I know you're interested. Come here, get some bread. There. Look, this bird even gets pissed if you don't put it close enough to him. You're just mad at the back there. Oh shit. This is what I do with my life. I feed ducks at Idlehour Park. It's so interesting.